Okay, so let's have a look at this worded problem. So 6 times 2 is the same as 5 times 2 add 1 times 2. So we've got 6 groups of 2 here. Then we've got here 5 groups of 2. 6 groups of 2. So that's 6 groups of 2, and then we've got here 5 groups of 2, and then 1 group of 2. So they are the same. And then if we looked at this one, 6 times 2 equals 4 times 2, which we've got there, 4 groups of 2, and then 2 groups of 2. Yep. 6 times 2 equals 3 times 2 plus 3 times 2. Yep. 6 times 2 is the same as 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2. If you actually work these out, 2 times 2 is 4, add 2 times 2 is 4, add 2 times 2, which equals 4. 6 times 2 equals 1 times 2, plus 2 times 2, plus 3 times 2. Looking at this, remember what these signs mean? We've got greater than and less than or equal to complete the comparison. So we're comparing the numbers now. Okay, so we've got some counters here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. We've got 8 groups of 2 here. So let's look at the first one. 8 groups of 2, so that's this. Is the same as 4 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2. Well, it's not, because we've got more there, haven't we? So 8 groups of 2 is greater than, remember, the arrow or the crocodile eats the biggest number, so this is bigger or larger than this. So then we've got 4 times 2 plus 4 times 2. So that's 1, 4 times 2, 2, 4 times 2. There are none left over, so that means that they are the same. Have a go at the rest of the questions on the worksheet.